Here I've got Huawei Y5P, and let me show you how to change ringtone on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select sound and vibration and go to phone ringtone right here. And now just let's take a look at all the ringtones that you can use, starting with Huawei Tune Live-In.
It's not until you fall that you fly. When your dreams come alive, you're unstoppable. Take a shot, chase the sun, find the beautiful.
And then just pick the one that you like the most, so let me choose More. Then, if you'll go back, you will see that it has been changed. So, this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.